Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Well, things are looking great here across Flagler County, and so why is that? We have a dry cold front that's sliding to the south, kind of pushing this weak system to our southeast away from us, and this is moving off. High pressure system. High pressure means generally stable air, and we get some more stable air spilling in behind this front. It's going to keep conditions nice and settled across Flagler County. We get to the middle part of the week, this high pressure system creeps our direction, is generally sitting right on top of us, keeping conditions stable, settled, and warm across Flagler County. But as we get towards the weekend, we're seeing some signals that some unsettled weather may be trying to get into the picture. This is the 7-day precipitation forecast. You can see kind of this bullseye down here in South Florida. This is not a tropical system or anything like that. Just means that there's potential for a lot of rainfall over the southern part of Florida, and we'll have to kind of wait and see how this is going to play out, and does it impact Flagler County as we get into the weekend. That's just one of those things we're going to kind of wait and see and watch as we go through the next few days. So overall, though, here in Flagler County, things are looking great this week. Settled conditions and slowly warming up through the week, and then the rain chances I was speaking earlier will begin to increase as we get towards the weekend. Sky conditions look fantastic. Plenty of sunshine, maybe some patchy cloud in the afternoon. We could see some high thin cloud begin to creep in here maybe Friday as whatever goes on in South Florida begins to take shape. But overall, plenty of sunshine out there and clear skies at night, maybe some patchy fog at night as well. And the forecast is pretty simple. Settled, warm, maybe some patchy cloud, sea breezes in the afternoon, and some late night fog will be possible during those early morning hours. Tuesday through Friday, high temperatures averaging in lower to mid 80s. You will find the cooler readings along the beaches with the sea breeze, and at night the warmer readings will be at the beaches with that warmer ocean water helping keep the temperature a bit higher along the coast than in the inland locations. Now as we get towards the weekend, Saturday, patchy cloud, maybe the shower or thunderstorm at some point in the afternoon. High temperatures again in the mid 80s, lower 80s or so depending on where you are, and low temperatures in the mid 60s at night, and again warmer at the beaches. And as we get into Sunday, it looks like to be the better chance of getting some rain or more unsettled weather with a decent chance of showers, rain, or maybe some thunderstorms or variable cloud. High temperatures a little bit cooler in the lower 80s or so, low temperatures generally in the upper 60s at night. And as we get into next week, right now we're calling for a chance of shower storm each day. Highs in the 80s or so, lower 80s looks like right now, lows in the mid 60s. Again, some of this is quite a ways out, so we'll have to see how it's going to play out, and we'll be back by the end of the week with updates on that. At the beaches, it's looking great there. Surf 2 to 4 feet, surf temperature nice warm 78 degrees, so it's definitely coming up. But be aware of the rip currents. We have a moderate risk of dangerous rip currents at the beaches. Just be aware of that, and make sure you know how to get out of a rip current before getting into the ocean. Make sure you got your sunblock going on as the UV index is very high. So that's going to wrap it up in the Emergency Operations Center. To get the latest weather information, remember weather is always changing. Go to flaglercounty.org, have your mouse over webcams and weather, and you get the latest weather information from us or from the Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you're there. Weather radios are another great source for getting weather information. You can hook up with us on Spectrum by going to channel 492, and also you can find us on YouTube by typing in Flagler County. That's going to wrap it up in the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely day.